Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another comic book mystery box unboxing. And what I do on these is I get a comic book mystery box and I unbox it. So this one, I've got a couple of mystery boxes from comic-box.co.uk. I'm going to open these up. I'll look at one this week, and next week I'll look at another one. So let's get into this one. So I've got my little knife. I could chop her up into pork chops. No. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slice this open. Now I will say I've had a few of these now from comic-box.co.uk, and for me they do the best mystery boxes. That's what I'm thinking. Especially because you can like pick what you like. So if you're into, say, Superman, you can get a box of Superman comics. So I've actually picked up 10 Dynamite comics and 10 Zenescope comics. So I actually collect a lot of what I notice is a lot of the comics that I love come from these two publishers. Dynamite, they do like Vampirella and Red Sonja, and Zenescope, they do like Robin Hood and the Grim Fairy Tales and things. So I think this week I'm going to look at these. This week I will be mostly looking at Dynamite, and then next week we'll look at this, which will be the Zenescope one. So what I like to do is, before I get into these, I'll make like a little wish list. So my wish list for this is three things I really want to get out of this mystery box, because you never know what you're going to get with these. So the first thing is I'd like to get an issue of Red Sonja. Second, I'd like to get a new female character that I've not sort of gotten into yet, and I'd like to get a Vampirella. So what I noticed was, it made me realise that for Dynamite it's all about the characters. I'm in love with the characters that Dynamite do comics about, and my bonus, I'd like to get an issue number 1. So I'll come back to that at the end and see if we manage to get those things. And another thing I love about this is their packaging. They do beautiful packaging, because the good thing is you can keep these boxes. So what I do is, when I go to the comic shop to go through the 50p and £1 bins, I actually take these boxes with me in my bag, because I can then put my comics in it. So you got a bag within the box. So I always get a bit excited but also nervous here, because, like I said, you don't know what you're going to get. Fortunately, it's landed on the back. So what you've got to do is you've got to flip them around. Now this one here could go terribly wrong, because when I got like me Harley Quinn, the mystery box of Harley Quinns, you know you're getting a Harley Quinn. The thing with Dynamite is they also do a lot of comics that I might not be interested in. So the first one, yeah, Battlefields. See, this isn't for me. This is not really my type of thing. Battlefields Happy Valley 2 of 3, issue number 2. It's a cool cover. But if I saw that in the comic shop, in the £1 bin, I would leave it behind. And that's how I tell whether this is a successful mystery box or not. Would I pick these comics up if I saw them in the £1 bin? This one. Oh yeah. Jennifer Blood issue 25. See, I've actually got a few of these. I've picked up a few of these from the comic shop. Jennifer Blood issue 25. I quite like that one. Yeah, I can't work out. Is that a painting or a photograph? Is that one of those like matte painting things where they've merged a painting with a photograph? I'm not sure. I do know something. I need a drink. This one's looking quite sexy. If that was the cover, I'll be happy with that. Mercy Thompson. cool. Issue, oh yeah. We've got an issue number 1. And is this Mercy here? Because if it is, then we've got a new... I quite like her. You compare her to somebody like Vampirella or Red Sonja. She's like very much like the girl next door. So she's much more relatable. If I saw that in the comic shop for £1, I'd pick that up. So far we've got 2 out of 3. Nothing's blown me away yet though. This next one, Uncanny issue number 2. I've seen these in the comic shop and I've left them behind. So that says to me that I'm not so interested in this series. It's quite a cool cover though. It's quite a cool cover. It's nice art style on these characters. Yeah, but I wouldn't, if I saw that in the comic shop, I wouldn't pick it up. I don't think. So that's a 50-50 at the minute. Oh yeah. Issue number 7. I've actually been getting these from the comic shop. KO. Is it called KO? I think it is. See, that's my type of comic. Yeah. From the pages of Kevin Smith's Green Hornet. Ah, this must be like a little character that came off. I think I might already have this one. I'm not sure about that. I think I might already have this this comic. Which is a good thing if I do, because it means I love it. That's my favourite cover so far. I like that one. Yay, look. Yay, we've got another one. Issue number 8. I like that cover more than this one. But this is a comic I'd actually read. It's quite cool. I quite like that one. I love that one more though. Look at, compare these two covers, look. That one's just got more... There's a bit of a mystery going on. Like, what's that? Who is it that's like going after? There's a shadow going over her. Is this a Vampirella? I bet it's not. No. Hey, cool. We got 7, 8 and 9. I love it when they do this. They've done this before with my Harlequin. When I've got my I think I've got this one. If not, if I haven't got it, I've seen it in the comic shop. I've definitely seen this cover before. Issue number 9. Yeah, what they do is comic-box.co.uk. They very often put like a run of comics inside the mystery box, which is cool. It's cool if you like the comic, yeah. But if you wasn't into the comic, that could be quite sort of disappointing. Oh, we've only got 3 left. It's like nothing's blown me away yet. Green Hornet issue number 8. Yeah, it's not really. I like this. Who's that down there? Look. I've got the DVD of this. They made a film of this, starring, I think it's Cameron Diaz. I've actually got the film of this. I haven't watched it yet. Though. That is a cool cover. I like that cover. I just wish it was a female character. That's quite nice artwork, look. Oh, we've only got 2 left. Are they gonna be able to make me get excited properly? Battlestar Galactica, Cylon Apocalypse, issue number 2. Again, I'm happy with this. I've got a few of these Battlestars from the comic shop, and I like the way this one feels like a sort of a vintage. Feels like something from the 80s, the 70s or something. I like that one. So they've only got 1 left. Oh no, that's not for me. Expandables, issue number 1. It's nice that it's issue number 1. The Expandables, is that not the film with all those, like Sylvester Stallone and stuff? So I wonder if this came out before or after the films. Let's see when this was made. 2010. I'm a little bit disappointed with this one, to be honest. I was hoping for... Well, let's have a look. Did I get a Red Sonja? Nope. Did I get a new female character? Yeah, I'm happy with that. I really like the look of this one. And it's an issue #1, so that's brilliant. Didn't get any Vampirellas either. I think these two here, I'm not really interested in these two comics. I absolutely love this one. I like that one. I like the cover of that, but yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I love that I got a few of these because I'm into this comic. I'm not really interested in that one either. And I like that one, but it's not my favourite cover. So, what did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7 out of 10 that I'm happy with. But like I said, none of these, maybe that one. Yeah, I would say my favourite cover is probably actually the Green Hornet one. So I think that is a really cool cover. I like the cover. I just wish it was of a series I'm more into. That's probably my favourite cover for the character, and this one I'm most excited for. So we also got an issue #1. So I got 2 out of 4. It's not bad, but nothing really blew me away with this one. So please let me know what you think about these in the comments. Would I buy another Dynamite Mystery Box? I think I would. I would give them another go. Only because you might get, this is the thing you see, you might get Vampirellas and Red Sonjas or something. So it's a bit of a, this one was £10 I believe it was. So it was £1 each. Yeah, £1 each. So yes, I would say I am happy, but I'm not blown away with this one. Next week, I'm really excited for this one, the Zini Scope. So this one was £15, £1.50 each. And as you can see from the little logo, we basically have sexy little female characters. So I think this one is, I left this one till next week because I'm more excited for this one. And this one, I did buy it thinking there's a chance it might not be for me. Because like I said, Dynamite do a lot of series that I'm not so much into. Whereas Zenoscope, so far I've loved everything that they do. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I shall see you later for another one.